Breakthrough can create opportunities for you that you wouldn't necessarily find on your own.
Definitely do it, because if nothing else, you will meet people that will help you better define what it is that you want to do.
To have an objective outsider who's there specifically for us and knows our business so well, it's been fantastic.
I would definitely recommend Breakthrough. That for almost anybody I know that's starting a business, you will get something important out of it that is tailored for you.
Sometimes it's having an outsider perspective that really helps you develop your offering or what you're trying to achieve.
I didn't realise before going into this that was even like an option to have all this support.
My first connection with recruitment was via Samara, who was very, very helpful in helping us to understand what was available to us in terms of support, but more importantly about how we can actually go about recruiting here in Cornwall.
When you're a small business, it can be quite difficult to keep people as developed as you want to. You know, in larger companies it's much easier, in smaller ones that can be quite difficult. But it's something I'm quite passionate about, developing the people that are here, and Unlocking Potential have made that happen. Through sort of mentoring and coaching for the business. So they've kept us energised, I'd say, really.
We always recruit through the Unlocking Potential job platform. We find it so easy to use. There's additional support whenever you need it. We've advertised jobs and had over 75 good quality applicants from it. The additional support you get is phenomenal. The interview support is second to none. It's really great to have someone come in with a fresh pair of eyes who really wants you to do well and is able to give you a second honest opinion on candidates.
We were offered support with writing job advertising, also with shortlisting, and also introduced to the Unlocking Potential's job board, which is where we found 2 candidates who we're very, very pleased to say have now joined us at Hedgehog, and we're now recruiting for a third through the Unlocking Potential job board. So that's testament in itself to what we think of it as a way of recruiting